Tommy John walks onto the mound. The crowd is roaring. But this isn't just another baseball game. It's his first major league appearance in more than a year, and every eye is on his left arm, because just 16 months earlier, the ligament in that arm had been destroyed. Doctors weren't sure he'd ever pitch again. But to understand what this moment meant, we have to go back. Tommy John was a high school valedictorian, but he had a stutter. And despite earning the school's highest academic honor, he wasn't allowed to deliver the valedictorian speech. He eventually overcame the stutter and pursued his dream of playing professional baseball. He made it to the major leagues, and Tommy John would pitch for 26 seasons, become a four-time All-Star, and win 288 games. Then in 1974, his left elbow gave out. His ULC was torn. At the time, it was essentially a career-ending injury. But Physician Dr. Frank Jobe had a radical idea. Take a tendon from Tommy's right forearm and use it to replace the destroyed ligament. It had never been done on an athlete before. Estimated Tommy's chance of returning about 1%, and Tommy took the chance. After more than a year of rehabilitation, he was back on the mound. That first pitch, a strike. And then came the part nobody expected. Before surgery, Tommy had won 124 games, and after surgery, 164 more. He pitched until he was 46, and that operation that saved his career became known as the Tommy John surgery. Thousands of athletes would eventually undergo it, but Tommy's greatest comeback wasn't just from an injured arm.
I didn't name it Tommy John surgery. Dr. Jobe did. He's the one that stuck me with that.